Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a bibliography and reference page on EndNote. So you start out with finding your references, which I've already done, so you could go through Collect, Online Search, and then search for your references, find them, and put them in a group. From there you would go to Format, Bibliography, and then start selecting your topic. So you go into References and choose your group. I made a group called Research Tools Batch because that's a batch we're working on. And then you choose what style you want. So you can do MLA, APA, any of these, which I'm going to choose APA. And then you choose the file how you want it, which I'm just going to do HTML. From there you can save it, email it, or preview and print. I'll just preview and print so I can go ahead and show it to you really fast. And I had already pulled it up once, and so this is what the reference page will look like. You can copy and paste it to a Word document or whatever, but these are your references, and it's as easy as that.